At the power panel, the grounding scheme involves specific connection methods for main ground, control ground, and shield ground. The main ground is the primary ground. It connects the panel to the grounding system of the building. It should be connected to a ground rod or other approved grounding electrode. The control ground provides a reference for control circuits and electronic equipment. It should be connected to the main ground at a single point. A shield ground protects sensitive equipment from electromagnetic interference, or EMI. It should be connected to the main ground at a different point than the control ground. Best practice is to keep the main ground, control ground, and shield ground separate at the panel. Connecting them together can create ground loops and increase the risk of EMI. Use an approved ground bar to connect the main ground, control ground, and shield ground. This will ensure a reliable and code-compliant grounding system. The symbol for main ground resembles a stack of decreasing lines. The symbol for control ground is the earth ground symbol. The symbol for shield ground resembles an upside-down open box. Additional considerations include firstly, isolating the control ground and shield ground from each other by at least 3 feet to avoid crosstalk. Secondly, use separate grounding conductors for each ground type. And thirdly, all grounding connections should be made with anti-corrosion hardware, such as stainless steel bolts and washers. The grounding system should be designed and installed by a qualified electrician in accordance with applicable codes and regulations. Benefits of separate grounding include firstly, it reduces ground loops and EMI. Secondly, it provides a reliable reference for control circuits. Thirdly, it protects sensitive equipment from interference. And fourthly, it ensures compliance with electrical codes and standards.